Welcome to my channel, guys, the Blue Boy Effects, and we are currently running on a trade this morning. Yeah, this is a trade that has been given out to the VIPs as usual, and we are actually running in profit. We've hit our TP1, and we are actually going for our TP2 now. As you can see, here it is, and here is where our SL was set, so we don't have to incur much loss. And before a quick start, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do want to subscribe to my channel. Here is our VIP, and you've been hitting TPs. Of course, this is it. Sell the C300. Let's cast some spike, and I gave them the SL already. And of course, you know what time it is. We're hitting TP. So make sure you join the Blue Bar Effects team. Let's make money together. So this is going to be a very simple video. It's not going to be that difficult. It's going to be simple. I just want to show you how price action really affects the market, how price action really actually helps me to trade successfully. Now you'll be asking, hey man, how did you know this was going to be a crash without using indicators? It's actually very simple. Price action is the key to trading. For me, it unlocks the key to entry and also unlocks the key to exit. Of course, you know we had our TP1 around somewhere here, of which it was smashed before we brought our TP2 here, because that's the next place where market is likely going to reverse from. If you can check out this place here, you see that. So I didn't want to bring it too much down here, but I expect market, of course we are already in profit, but this level here might actually be a reversal. Okay, it might actually be where the market will reverse from. So now you'll be asking, how do I know that the market was going to sell? Of course, looking at the I think I was in the 15 minutes or 30 minutes candlestick. Let's see, the 15 minutes time frame, and I saw that whenever market got to this level here, we have a resistance here at this level. So whenever market got to this level, I knew, hey, this is what has been happening, because price action is actually about what's happening in the past, and you use it to compare to what is supposed to happen in the future. So you have to wait. That's why when you're trading, you have to be patient to know and to wait for when the market gets to a reliable place where you can actually get into it. Set your SL at a minimum loss, while your gains is going to be very high. So you know, from here to here, and if we compare what we're supposed to lose if the market went south, which it won't go south, it's almost like times one, two, three, like almost like times four, over times four of what we're supposed to lose, and that's a big win for the team. So now I talked about price action. You see here, we have a support, a resistance there, where market actually reverses from. If we should backdate this, you're going to see that that's a valid position. So I've been following up the market for a while now. Wow, we're almost smashing our TP2. We're almost there, smashing our TP2. So you'll be asking, how did you know this? Of course, when you play with your time frames, you will see patterns, reoccurring patterns that has been happening before. Like if you get over here, you see that when market bought to this region, it started going down. Like this place has been impossible to break. Even if you go to the higher time frame, which is always a time frame to use and get into markets, well, you see that it is actually a very strong resistance here. So when market got here, of course, it was worth taking the risks, being that it's been happening, it's been reoccurring. So I got into this trade knowing that my SL wasn't going to be too much. That's why I set it at this level here, I think somewhere here. And now we've been in big profits. We are making it big in the market. Now this is what I teach my students, for those that come on my mentorship classes. You see here already that if you look at the daily time frame, even the 4-hour time frame, you're going to see that this is a downtrend. Market has been going down and down, and if you are to draw this, you've seen that this is, oh shit, I just moved that. You see that this is a downtrend on the daily time frame, and also going to the 4-hour time frame, it still shows it's a downtrend. Even if you want to draw it from here, you've seen this here. So that was a very nice entry and a very high probability trade, because it's what's been happening. It's a downtrend, it's selling, and it's about to hit a TP. So there are other things I actually followed up while getting on this trade, which is one of the things I teach those in my classes. So for those of you that want to join the mentorship class, you want to learn how to trade using price action. I mean, let me also tell you something. Using price action to trade is very good because you can trade on forex as currencies. Of course, we are adding the currencies this year to our portfolio because we actually want to help those that we can't actually just be focused on indices, because I've been getting lots of texts. Hey, why are you not doing currency? Can you help us with currency? Yes, now we are here with the currency pay. You can just join us. For those of you that want to pass the prof firm, join us. So as I was saying, once you've seen on the you've seen on the higher time frame that this is a downtrend, and here is our final touch being our support. So when the market gets to this level here, there are two things involved. Either it breaks this support here, and also you have to be patient because it might actually break it and give you a fake breakout. Like what I'm talking about, a fake breakout is that it's going to break, making you feel it's going to sell, but it's just going to turn back and sell back up. Okay, maybe respecting this trend line here. But if you should sell, break this level here, retest and goes down, retest and shows a sign of a bearish candle, then we are sure to go in for high for more trades, for more sales. You've seen that the 4 hour candle is very strong, and being that the 4 hour candle is very strong, we are expecting it to still sell, but also we have to be patient to see what the market has for us. We can't just jump into it. That's why I had to wait. Of course, I saw this market, but I had to follow it up and wait for market to retrace to these positions first, where I was sure of going into the trade before going into it. So even when you're trying to do this, like trying to find your zones, after finding your zones, you have to wait for the market to come to you. That's why if you hear people saying this, they say, don't let the market, like don't run after the market, let it come to you. This is what it literally means. Wait for the market to give you what you want. As for me, I'll actually be looking for a sell. That's after, if this should break and give us a little bit of rejection again, maybe to a level like this, which is also where the trend line is, then I can actually go in for another sell. But also note that when you need to have a target for a day. Okay, you need to have a target for a day. And as for me, I can actually decide to trade once a day because I'm okay with that. Going into multiple trades can actually make you go into bigger loss. What if you go into the next trade and you are not sure about it? So you have to be sure of your analysis before you get into a trade. And to bust the bread, one trade is enough for a day. I mean, you can see the size of the account I'm using to trade, but it doesn't really matter. I can actually run away, go out of the market with 100, 200, $300 profit, and I'm okay for it for the day. I don't have to overtrade. Overtrading is not actually what I do. I do this. That's why I tell my people, have a target. Have a target. As far as you're trading for it, have a target. Once you've reached your target, you lean back, follow up charts so that maybe on your next trade you will be sure of what you're getting into. Okay, so guys, if you want to join the free Telegram channel, the link to the free Telegram channel is on the description of this video. Those that want to join the mentorship class, text me on WhatsApp. The link to my WhatsApp is also there. And for those that have other inquiries about VIP signals, account management, profit firm, challenge pass, of course, you can just hit me up as well. So you've seen that we've had multiple spikes and we're just waiting to hit RTP2. The VIPs have been winning. I promised you guys already that 2023 is going to be a great year. So why are you sleeping on that? Join the challenge with us. Let's make this money together. Of course, with price action, you can make massive profits. So you can also watch other my videos for those of you that are looking for indicator settings. I have indicator settings that works perfectly on the Crash 300, which I still apply a little bit of price action to because that's how I trade, and it's very efficient. It's very efficient. So make sure you join the Blue Boy team and make sure you practice this. I mean, what do? I go to the higher time frame, find my zones. After finding my zones, I'm finding where the market is, like the direction where the market is going to. After finding that, I now try to find my entry. and wait for the market to get to that place which I want my entry to be before getting into the trade. So as you can see, we're running live now, and we are almost hitting, we have already hit $400, I mean, but we are still going in big for it. So this is it. Once we hit this TP, we are going to be making at least $400 for the day. And the VIPs, of course, you've seen that they have won. We've hit our first TP, and we are going for another one. So make sure you join the Blue Boy team, and let's make profit together this 2023. So guys, learn, watch my videos, subscribe to this channel, because I bring more videos that are educative, of course, like kind of mentorship videos, but you have to join our mentorship class to get better at this. I mean, how can't you stay anywhere you are and trade on your own? It's kind of a vibe that you can't miss out on. You can just sit down here and try to make a couple of bucks, sleep, and the trade is working for you. Of course, when I say sleep and your trade is working for you, this is what I'm actually talking about. I woke up this morning to smash this TP. Our TP2 was hit this morning. I mean, I'm sleeping, but my money is working for me. That's what I'm actually talking about. So this is more of an eye opener for you not to give up on Forex this year. This year is your year, because with Forex, I mean, the sky is big enough. One person can't take the whole money that is in the Forex market. It's too much, and a lot of it can go around. Okay, so join the Blue Boy team, join the Forex gang. Let's make this money together. Hope you have a successful trade. See you guys soon.